Assalamu alaikum, hello viewers, and welcome back to Pharma Activity YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be answering some questions which I got from comment section of the last video I updated last week. Please stay tuned to watch and listen to the full content of this video. Let's go. Well, when you say pharmacist, actually this is a broad term, but in a nutshell, the image that so many people evoke whenever they hear this word pharmacist might possibly be as someone standing behind the counter, counting the pills, reading prescription and dispensing a medicine. Unfortunately, that's what so many people often think about. But in reality, pharmacists are healthcare professionals who go to school of pharmacy for 2 to 4 years or even more than that, training, learning about how medicines work inside the body and how to take care of people as individuals through their medications. This is just a brief description of who is a pharmacist. Well, why I choose to study pharmacy, as you may guess, what I wasn't hoping to do was work really hard for a number of years so that I could count pills and put them in a bottle, read the prescription and dispense a medicine. That wasn't really what I was aiming to do. Fundamentally, I went to school of pharmacy because since I was a child, I was fascinated by how medicines work inside the body and how that chemistry is translated to come into health. I wanted to learn about how medicines get inside the body and how the individual's prescriptions impact the outcome of those medications. I wanted to know about how medications over the counter, how prescriptions over the counter, herbs, how they all work together or work against each other. I wanted to know people and their lifestyle and help them take only the medications that they need that would work for them. Help them understand how those medicines get inside their body and how those medicines work inside their body, and also help them understand how to use those medications. I decided to start a YouTube channel because I wanted to inspire those students who are thinking of going to school of pharmacy and help them with the possibly required information that they need to know about this noble profession of pharmacy. And I also wanted to help those students who are currently in the school of pharmacy and help them with some notes, with lectures whenever possible, because I know how stressful university is, where there is never-ending assignment and commitment. Secondly, I decided to start a YouTube channel because I just feel like my profession, that is the profession of pharmacy, is left under the shadow. And I really hope to take the flag of pharmacy very high. I wanted to showcase the pharmacists and the role they are playing in a healthcare system. Thirdly, I decided to start a YouTube channel because I also wanted to share information to people about the drugs, about the medicines, about the prescriptions, about the medications that they are taking day by day, and help them understand how those medications work and what are the possible consequences that may arise when they go beyond what is being prescribed by their doctors. This marks the end of today's video. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my talk today. I will be updating videos weekly or monthly, just depending on how busy my pharmacy schedule is. So please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. And if you have any questions related to the field of pharmacy, I will check that in comment section. Thank you.